The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 3. If 3 is subtracted from the numerator and 2 is added to the denominator, then the new number is 1 upon 5. Therefore, the original number is. See here, what is a rational number? A rational number is a number that can be expressed as a quotient or a fraction p upon q. Means basically it should be expressed as p upon q, where important part is p is the numerator, that's okay, but q is not equal to 0, that's important, and a non-zero denominator of q should not be 0. That is the meaning of rational number. So p upon q. So numerator, let numerator be x. So what is denominator given? It is greater than the numerator by 3. So denominator equals to x plus 3. The fraction will be x upon x plus 3, right? That is the original fraction. Now what happens is 3 is subtracted from the numerator. So x minus 3. 2 is added to the denominator. So x plus 3 is the original denominator plus 2, right? So it becomes x plus 5. Now the new fraction is what then? X minus 3 numerator upon x plus 5, right? But what is given? Then the new number is 1 upon 5. So this is equal to 1 upon 5. New fraction equals to 1 upon 5. So x minus 3 upon x plus 5 equals to 1 upon 5. Getting it? See here, look at it patiently. Don't hurry. So now solve this. 5 into x minus 3 cross multiply equals to 1 into x plus 5, right? So 5x plus 3, 5x plus minus 15 equals to x plus 5. Bring all x on one side. So 5x minus x, right? And this 15 over here, 5 plus 15, right? So 4x equals to 5 plus 15, that is 20. X equals to, bring this 4 on this side, 20 by 4, that is 5. So you got x. What is x? Numerator. What is denominator? X plus 3, right? See, in the original fraction denominator was x plus 3. That's what we want. So denominator is x plus 3, that is 5 plus 3, 8. So original fraction is what? Numerator upon denominator. 5 upon 8. That is the required answer. Download Your Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions.